Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and add scenes in Streamlabs. This is the simplest thing to do. This is the only video you'll ever need to watch. So let's just get straight into the video. First of all, simply go ahead and open your Streamlabs. First, let me explain to you what scenes actually is. So a scene consists of sources, and sources has things like display capture, video capture, audio capture. So it's basically like setting up your own studio. So it's a room which is full of cameras and display captures and everything that you want to show. So for example, having two scenes, what you can do is on the first scene you can have your gameplay and your camera, and on the second scene you can have just your camera. I hope you understand what how that works now. Simply, in order to create scene, all you need to do is click on plus. You can name the scene to anything you like. So for example, if it's just webcam, you can just write webcam. And inside of this webcam scene, you can add sources like simply video capture devices, or anything that you want to go ahead and add like audio input capture. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.